back to another video, and at the moment we are doing the pigs at our second farm at Grange. We're doing pen 5, so yeah. Sorry, I have a little bit of a back cough. There's always a lot following you. Being a farmer is an alright job. Not like the best job in the world, but I like my job. We are coming to look at the feed bins. I don't know what my dad's doing with them. I think he's changing and which one's getting feed on, which one's not, I think. Closing them. Never mind, that one's being opened. And this one is empty. Here is our lagoon, still at High Grange, yeah, where we get all our water from for irrigating, which was dug all by a digger. 2 diggers, that's it. That's all they used to make this. It's pretty impressive. I'm big. I've been swimming in this before. It's very deep. Don't try this at home. Forklift time! We've also had an extension on here put on. We put on, obviously. Unfortunately, we didn't have any kid blue paint, but it doesn't matter really. Cutting the bale, or the band off the bale, except the top one because we take that off with the forklift. So we can still hold the bale together, and we take all these ones off. I am hoping there's a pump coming. Windows need to wash off. Just about to start straw dropping now. This is our stripped down chicken shed. Here are the egg box. These are the sections to split up the chicken shed. These are the perches for the chickens. Here are the slats for them. That all the muck goes under. Don't know what these are here. These are the pressure washers. Not ours though.